Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, kabaru ka subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe BIAFRA Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasịta maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. All right, over to you.
Because I know Ojukwu had one and NNAMDI Kanu had one. How can you communicate to our people? Through which means? That's my question.
I'll just take it briefly, then Dr. Aki will take it because that is our field. Again, there is already kata in Biafra land for the past 2 years. If you have been following, we have been at war with the Nigerian terrorist state for the past 2 years. And that instruction that the Prime Minister have laid out, we are not going to engage in Nigeria in their kata the way they want it. Our war, our defense is going to be at our own pace, at our own time, and the way that we choose to do that. And that's what's been going on. Yes, granted, we might need some improvement in the area of the information and all that, but be rest assured, there has been grassroots mobilization in the whole 40 states of the United States of Biafra. That is why you have the state governors, you have the state executives, you have the 15 counties in each state, you have the districts and the wards, and information is passed around all these people in all these areas at each particular point in time. The success of the Monday sit at home that we are experiencing, I mean, nobody carry again and be going around, but Biafrans are effectively, actively doing that every Monday. So again, there might be some area of improvements, but there's already a kata. And as the Prime Minister has said, the declaration of the United States of Biafra is happening to enable us get the necessary documents we need to put on the tables and to continue to legally protect the United States of Biafra. So it's not a WhatsApp Bosta moment. Anybody that is coming to tell you say WhatsApp Bosta and all that, they never even know. They don't know nothing about the plans of our Prime Minister. So again, Dr. Agi, you can take it from there.
Okay, thank you so much, DPM. For the person that asked this question, as you are aware, during the time of our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, there was we have a radio, a frequency, 97.5 Voice of Biafra, and that Voice of Biafra is still ours. The only challenge that we have now is to get someone that can install it. I've made several requests on space and elsewhere. Again, I'm making it open again. If anyone in Biafra land who knows how he can install our VOB 97.5, the person should reach out to me. And my phone number is 404-933-7466. That's the beginning. When that is established, then we know how to go for the resources for the VOB, which will be, there will be a special fundraising for that. And I believe since a lot of people are interested in getting radio in their states, that won't be a problem. It will be state sponsored. Then secondly, the Homeland Media, we just started the Homeland Media, and what that means is that each of the 40 states has a representative in the Homeland Media team, and each state from state, it goes to the district. I'm not in control of from the state, how they're gonna do it, but the structure is that from state it will go to district. Just give that like about 3 weeks. We just started and they are doing very, very well. So I believe people at home will not be in need of or deprived of any essential communication. They will be in tune. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, are you Mazudobi? That's it, right? And you can always things like this.
I'm very satisfied with your answer.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. The next person is Mazi Teddy Emagana.
Humble Lion, they called you. You
No,
cannot.
he's still, maybe he has even slept.
Is he sleeping? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, Honorable Teddy is here now.
You have to unmute yourself.
Okay. Okay, thanks a lot. I'll go straight to the question. My question is more like a futuristic thing, and it goes to the Defense Secretary of Defense. Talking about defense, we know that the structure is decentralization, which is, from my rudimentary military knowledge, is actually supporting rapid response and resource management from the center as well. So I'm asking, if all these things are decentralized, if there is research and development equally be decentralized, it's more like looking ahead what we can get in future.
Thank you very much. No,
Is it?
No, the research and development.
Hello.
Yeah, I heard you. I'm trying to answer your question. Research and development is not ordinarily decentralized. So we still have command and control. Which rests at the Department of Defense. So we do have units. We can locate the unit anywhere in Biafra land. It can be anywhere in Biafra land. So just like we have intelligence unit, we have a research and development unit. They can be anywhere and serve all of Biafran, defense forces. So that's I just leave it at that. The other details we can discuss, as a classified information. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Humble Lion, please speak. Humble Lion. Oh, kindly speak.
Oh, I'm here, I'm here.
I know you slept off. Go ahead and speak.
Yeah. Oh my God. I really want to thank my Deputy Prime Minister, Dr. Ngozi Arabieze. And I want to sing for her too. Oneme ihe na-adịghị ekwu omume. Oneme ihe na-adịghị ekwu omume. Again, ihe ahụ rara mmadụ ahụ, Dr. Ngozi emewo ya. Ihe ahụ rara mmadụ ahụ, Dr. Ngozi emewo ya. Mommy, I didn't appreciate, I didn't thank you so much. Asị m na enwe nwaanyị ka gị ọgwụ na-asọ nne m. Rụọ n'ọma gị gawa, enweghị ihe onye iro mere ga-enwe isi. Onye na-ajụ n'afa gị na o mekwere ka ha na-achọ itinye AKA n'afa gị by force. But afa gị enweghị AKA na ya. And unu watch onye tire AKA na afa aza ya anya ọgụ. Onye ahụ asị na ọwụ senior advocate of Nigeria. So you are not anything, you are not a Nigeria, you are a Biafran Deputy Prime Minister. So they have to have that in mind, Mommy. I raise my mic. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to speak with you. Good night, Ma.
Thank you.
Well, thanks for what you do. I do watch you every now and then.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you. Thank you.
iPhone. Can you unmute yourself? iPhone. Okay.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Please, I want to ask a question to our Deputy Prime Minister. I just have like 3 questions to ask her.
No, one.
No, you have only one. Tomorrow you come to fundraising for the rest of the two, okay? Just one.
Okay. The question I want to ask her, since she assumed the office of the head of state, I want to know if she have directly communicated with our Supreme Leader NNAMDI. And secondly, I want to ask her what it feels like to be possessed with the Biafran spirit, because she's doing absolutely well. So that's all for now.
Thank you. So you come tomorrow, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, with your money, right, AJ?
All right. That one will not be an issue.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So now we have different departments in the United States of Biafra government, and each department is tasked with certain work they are doing. So I strongly believe there is a department that is working on that. That is the answer to the first question. And then the second one about the spirit. What was the second question about?
I asked what it feels like to be possessed with Biafra spirit.
Exactly what the genuine Biafrans are doing. That is just what we are doing. Every genuine Biafra that has the interest of solidifying our country as one of the best in the world, you will see all their actions is going to be closely related to what our leader NNAMDI Kanu did, what our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa did, and what I'm doing at this time. So it is both those that are doing it privately, secretly, those that are afraid. And I keep asking people, how long are you going to be afraid to live in a world that you call your own home? How long are you going to be afraid to be in your own land? How long are you going to be afraid of somebody that is just like you? If it's Nwokorobia that is just like you, or Nwagbogobia that is like just like me, because at our age, most of us, our mates are leaders, we are governors, we are presidents, we are ministers, we are secretaries in different parts of the world. So how long are we going to be scared of what a stupid idiot that thinks because they plan evil against others? They plan evil against others and execute that. How long are we going to be afraid of what they do? That is why those of us that are free must do things to stop the evil people from caging all of us, killing our people, maiming our people, destroying our businesses and our economics. We must confront the devil. We must do things. We must do things that will shock the enemies and make them leave our land. And this government is not about cho, talk. Things are going to be happening. We must protect our land. We must defend the United States of Biafra peacefully, or whatever way the enemy wants that. That is the spirit of the Biafra. Thank you so much.
Please, ma, I have one request to make. I don't know if you can permit me to make this request.
Go ahead, please.
Looking at what we have passed through and so many things we have passed through to actualize this government, I'm only sorry if it will be possible for you to pass a bill to this government, any government official that is taking bribe from anybody, both now and in the future, like the Chinese people did. Any of their government officials that takes bribe will be killed by hanging. Can such bill also be implemented in Biafra government to safeguard this government? Because we don't want anybody to jeopardize with this government.
Thank you. But again, we're taking records of people that are jeopardizing the restoration of the United States of Biafra. It is not something that will be publicly be announcing. But any role anybody plays in this government, in this struggle as a whole, apart from the conscience of that individual that will continue to destroy that individual. It's also the public condemnation and what the public have seen that some of these individuals are doing. Yeah, we're taking record of that. Yeah. As far as the laws, hopefully when our leader NNAMDI comes out, our prime minister comes out, trust me, I believe they have they have those lists pending too. But again, it's not too late for any evil person to make a U-turn. Not too late. Not too late. Everybody will answer individually on their own capacity what they have done to destroy this struggle at one point in time or the other. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Biafra, did you see that iPhone asked the 3 questions? You see? You know, she came with the 3 questions and she asked it. Please, no one should raise up their hands after I call this ones, if it's okay by the DPM. We have about 10. Jennifer Okata.
Yeah, good evening, Biafra.
Good evening.
I'm Jennifer, representing State of Aba as the secretary. I stay in Ghana here. I have not been talking so much on the social media, but I will say today I have the opportunity. First of all, I'm happy for the progress we have achieved so far. And I will say thumb up for our DPM, the cabinet members and the commanders, the governors and the executives for what they are doing. So my one is more of observation, also questions. My goes to education department because that's my area. I want to find out from the education department what blueprint do they have to educate Biafra informally, especially using the social media, especially on the area of their social or civic responsibilities and the rights, area of constitution, area of system of governance, our geographical boundaries and all that. We need to educate our members more on this. And when we do this, I feel that it will minimize that area of talking about every time on the media. So that's what I am asking, to find out from them. Because we say, there's a saying that if you stop at every dog that barks at you, you will not go far. That is one. I want to know. Then now the second one is about the governors. What are we doing also to empower the governors to function well? Because as they are at this moment, they do not have access to resources that can help them to function well. That is what I have also. I also to try to recognize them, because it's like now we are going home. We are going home. So it should be more of 70% down there at the homeland, so that they will be very well stabilized. Then the third one is about, I know very well that we practice true religion in our place. I think Judaism or something like that, Christianity. My question is, do we really allow each to practice without criticizing them or opposing them? Do we really do that? Because if my memory serves me right, we have the Omenana, we have the Christianity and all that. Do we really allow each one to do it freely without criticizing or opposing or going against that person? That's what I have for now. And I'm also very happy with their media, Biafran media. Yesterday, I read a lot about what they put out there. They gave us the territorial or geographical boundaries of Nigeria, of Biafra, natural resources. All this, I was very, very happy, because I was about asking about that, but I was happy that those information came and I read it. I got a lot of information from there. So I want them to do more, especially the education department, informally. So I want to know what they are doing, what have they put in place to help Biafra.
Yeah, thank
That's
you.
what I want to know.
Yeah, thank you so much. Before they answer that, you have to come in and give them what you have. Because you're in education, I think they will need you, all these ideas you have, so that you can maybe take up one department and then start to help them build that. Like I always say, there are 1 million positions, over 1 million positions for Biafrans to participate in. So we will want you to come in and some of these ideas you have, just take up that department and start developing that. But let me leave it to the education and the governor question and then the Christianity question. Dr. Olewune, or and then
Okay, I think this is all okay. They are all here. Go ahead.
Okay. So that I will respond to the first question.
Right.
You use the word there's no need to back, and we are not backing, but we are working. We have already a template or curriculum structure.
No, you didn't understand. I said that we if we stop and they respond to every dog that barks at us, we will not go far.
That's what I'm trying to explain. Can you listen to me? You have asked the question.
I thought you didn't understand my question. That's why I came back to clarify.
Because I have not talked and you came in again. Can I just respond to you what you are doing? That's the question you asked about what you are doing. We are not going up to the social media to tell the people what we are doing now, but we are working at the background in a very solid manner. We are trying to get commissioners from all the 40 states. And we will start with those commissioners to educate them, and then we send them to the community, to the people, who will now educate them on what you're talking about. Because you have to start somewhere, and you have to deal with the people who are ready to work with you at this point in time. Many people in education, Biafran land, they are still afraid. They are not ready to work. But you have a good number that we are starting with. All that you said about educating our people is in line. And with time, as soon as the military leaves the place, you will see us on board. And by then, many people would have come to join us. And as the DPM said, you have something to offer. Contact me, and then we include you so that all your ideas will also be part of it. But you have gone far way ahead. But you are not making noise yet. By the time we come, we are putting things in order and arranging it. So that's where we are now. We have the director of education right in the homeland, and he's trying to get things done and put place in order. But we have to take it in a way that our people need to change their mindset to follow the new system we are going to bring in Biafran land. It's not going to be like what is happening in Nigeria. No. So we have the template and we are working on that. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Secretary, how can she contact you? Do you mind if she contacts me, or can you give out your number? What's your choice?
Okay, if you have pen, I can give you my number.
That's right. I have my pen with me.
Okay. I'm from Kenya. The code is 254.
Okay.
785 24 2700.
Okay.
785.
785. Hello?
24. Yeah.
24.
7700. If I may ask, which state are you from?
Aba State, but I stay in Ghana.
Okay, because already we have a commissioner from Aba State. that you are working closely with?
I'm from Aba. I'm the secretary for Aba State.
Okay.
Okay, you done? Dr. Ngozi, you are done?
Yes, please.
All right, thank you. Ms. Jennifer, you are good to go, right?
No, my question has not been answered. I spoke about the religion and also the
Okay, I think Sister
governors.
Yeah.
The governor
Yeah.
issue.
Okay.
Hello, Jennifer. Thank you for that question.
Yes.
What I always say when it comes to religion and all of that, our foundation is our constitution, because in the constitution we got the three arms of religion, and it's important that we continue to explain to Biafrans that people's conscience matters, people's freedom of religion matters. And to be able to achieve that, we have to respect each other's boundary, in as much as we all proclaim one God, one chi. And also we're laying instructions on ground at the moment with developing the different departments and what is expected of those departments. We don't want religious chaos where you stand on the pulpit and preach against other people's religion. It's a religion built on love, built on freedom, built on understanding. There's an adage that says we have to go back to our first love. Our first love is God, and God is not a God of chaos. But for us, it's important that we adhere to our constitution, because every policy we're going to be explaining our department is going to be derived from our constitution. And it's good Biafrans understand the constitution. And I'm praying hopefully Biafrans will be able to get a copy of those constitutions to be able to know what is expected. Our religion is not a religion that kills people because they don't belong to, they are not Catholic, or they are not pagans, or they are not from the Jewish community. It's a religion that respects everybody's religion. And that's the only way we can work together. We are not going to step on each other's toes just to prove that our one is the best or that one is not the best. That is why we have to work from our constitution. So every document we are generating is based from what is on our constitution, and that is going to be the guide for everybody. Because religion has caused so much chaos, and religion is what put us where we are at the moment, and we don't want to go back there again. So the instruction is going to be very, very clear. And we're hoping as time goes on, as soon as we put everything together, we'll be able to invite the 40 states. And each of the 40 states will be able to appoint somebody that will lead the Christianity, the Judaism, the traditional from each state. But at the moment, the policies, the procedures, all the different departments, we're putting it together, and we'll be making that known to all Biafrans. So it's going to be freedom of religion, but freedom of religion with very close monitoring. Because when you go to, for example, I'm a Catholic. When you go to Catholicism, there are things that might be happening there that shouldn't be happening. Because religion is not a bondage. It's a freedom to love your neighbor as you love yourself. That's the foundation of all religion. So that is where we're aiming at. It's going to be something of love, not of killing, not of chaos, not of intimidation, not of bullying. Because there's so much bullying in religion, and we don't want that. There's so much killing in religion, and we don't want that. So the foundation is going to be strong, and our people need to understand that. Because before the Fulani happened to us, our community used to be very peaceful. Everybody loved one another. You go to people's house, you sit, you relax. At night, you sit down in the open and you tell stories. Your grandma tells you stories, but now nobody can even be outside at 9 o'clock in the villages. So there are certain traditions that we love, that need to come back, and we need to respect that. We're all going back to our first love, the love of God and love of our neighbor. No matter what religion you belong to, this is going to be our key. This is going to be our mission. This is going to be our vision for the Biafra people. So every Biafran is going back to their first love. That's the love of God and love of neighbor. That's where everything is. And it relates to every department. We're not going to be preaching religion. We're going to be preaching understanding of that God that created us.
Wadaloli neno from Igbo media, boy by Siwene Utano Nyabozi, Dio Kempa, Bastabak Yemen and Nigeria, and the Yemen Chiche, na Eastern region, and Uno Kosi Adana Finland, and the Biafran Prime Minister, KC Judea, the update and the Yabo Biafran declaration came in Finland, so Yelina Kaya, I know Telu Niva Huko. Kifi Oliku Bastama Kayabo, Chief of Staff Hukasi Niva Huko, Yanebo Tagasiaka, and the new development on Biafra, of United States of Biafra. So Yabi Feka Isikai, Tiedo no Kono, Guai Funchano, then Kono Bastama Kayabi Fe, Guadado Din and Kemesiano.